Lightning is one of nature's most powerful forces, and sometimes it hits at moments so perfect, they barely seem real. A passenger films mid-flight when a bolt jumps to the wingtip. Aircraft designed for this, but the timing is unreal. The plane safely channels the strike, and the camera catches the exact moment of impact. As the storm crosses Manhattan, a bolt kisses Lady Liberty's torch. Precision and symbolism in one flash. Photographers dream of this alignment. Seconds of setup, one split-second strike. Right as the shutter clicks, boom. A perfect backdrop no studio can fake. A once-in-a-lifetime shot, frozen in lightning. A direct hit severs the heartwood, nature's instant chainsaw. Caught at the exact second before collapse. Ash and charge collide, forging volcanic lightning, rare, violent, mesmerizing. A perfect storm in a single mountain breath. He catches the wave as the storm catches the sea, timing tighter than any cut. A frame that humbles even seasoned ocean riders. Double trouble. Parallel channels split the horizon in one perfect composition. Aerial stability meets raw chaos. One flash and the beast appears. Edges, debris, all revealed in an instant. A ghost made visible by lightning. From a speeding carriage, a perfect arc to ground captured between blinks. Industrial ballet in a storm. Water erupts, then sky answers, perfectly synced elements. A stadium of electricity with no crowd. A strike meets a strike, anglers and angels of electricity. Timing tighter than the line itself. A clean arc rides the blade, nature charging the future for a heartbeat. Engineered to endure, spectacular to witness. Rare upward lightning. Charge leaps skyward before the return stroke. A strike that starts earthbound. Contact, heat, ignition. Fire born in milliseconds. Proof of power captured at the spark. With the shutter open, a single strike paints the whole city in one luminous pulse. Patience meets perfection, captured forever. Which moment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and watch our next video for more unbelievable moments caught on camera.